Alright fellas, I'm out in the garage here today. Boy, I tell you what, it's gonna be another hot one today. I got my fan running wide open. Well, not wide open, it's on medium. If I turn it up on high, it blows everything off the damn bench. So, well, let's take a look at the old digital meter here. Man, it is 86.4 degrees in the garage, 61% humidity. That's a little hot and a little wet, isn't it? Guys, I'm gonna show you something here. I'll get you guys' opinion. This is a Splash Paint's website. This is their paint called Area 51. I have this bottle. Now, boy, I'll tell you what, that blue, it's a bluish looking color, and this Bronco's got everything blacked out on it. I just love that look. So I thought, let's go over here now. I drug this 36 back out, this AMT kit. What do y'all think about that color on this 36 body if I was to black out the wheels? Of course, the rag top, the insert up on top will be matte black and the running boards will be matte black, but those were matte black, the bumpers, the headlight buckets and everything, maybe a little black on the engine. What do y'all think that'd look like? I'm thinking it might look pretty cool. I've also got this V8 flatty here. This has got the Auburn heads on it. This comes from Texas 3D Customs. I bought this a while back along with some other stuff from him. I want to try his engines out, see how they work. Boy, they are really nicely detailed, I gotta tell you. Really nice looking. Now, you guys, if you remember, I've had this kit out before. Was working on it, and when this top section here glues onto the bottom section. Comes across here and then up and then around. And God daggone it, I've been working on this body line here, trying to get it right. This time around, I'm gonna get it. I used my regular glue that I use on my builds, and I filled that gap back in and then rescribed it again with a backside of a number 11 blade and a scribe, and I've got it better than what it was. But what do y'all think? Think that's going to be acceptable? Think once I get some paint on it or help hide it? When I built that 36, that's the Revell, I had the same issue with that. It's basically top and bottom glued together, and it had some issues there, but I think the paint kind of helps hide it a little bit. So I'm thinking, or I'm hoping it'll do the same on this here. Now, these wheels and tires, they come from Jay's Resin Wheels, 1948 off eBay. That's where I get all my wheels and tires. Those were what I originally was wanting to put on here, and I drug them back out. I didn't use them on anything else yet, but I think they just look pretty tough on here. What do y'all think about the Area 51 color and murdering out everything else on this car? How do you think that'd look for a nice looking hot rod? And I don't think I'm going to put the hood on it. Maybe just put the engine in there and run these support rods to the grill shell. I'll let that engine be shown, because it's a super looking engine. I'll have to really get my A game going to detail that out really good, since it'll be out in the open for everybody to view. But just want to come on here and let y'all know that I have drug this sucker back out again, and I'm looking to finish this one up. Man, I tell you what, I just love the 35, 36, and 37 body styles. They just look super killer. I just love them. I just love all the fat fender. Man, they look tough, don't they? Alright guys, I don't want to keep you much longer and bore you here. I just want to let y'all know that I have drug this out. I'm going to make a decision today whether I like this or not. I'm going to work on it a little bit more, sand it a little bit, and hit it with some primer and see how it's looking. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to go ahead and build this. But y'all let me know what you think. Alright guys, I'm out of here. I'm done.